Many emotionally exhausted women believe they are simply too sensitive, too emotional, but often the nervous system is deeply tired from surviving emotionally for so long period of time. And nervous system exhaustion can gently affect emotions, thought, sleep, energy, anxiety levels, and body tensions. If you constantly feel emotionally tired, mentally tired, and emotionally alert, this healing conversation is for you. Welcome to Heal and Rise with Anita. Today, we are gently exploring the signs of nervous system, exhaustion, and emotional burnout. Because many women spend years emotionally surviving stress, pressure, emotional pain, and tiredness without realizing how deeply the nervous system is being affected internally. And often, the body asks for healing for long before women finally slow down enough to notice it. So, this nervous system exhaustion often feel like emotional sensitivity, emotional tiredness, constant overthinking, difficult relaxing, and many more symptoms. Many women continue functioning externally while internally feeling emotionally drained every single day. And because emotional survival becomes so familiar, they often ignore their own exhaustions for a long period of time. Suppose a woman who takes so many years to just take care of family, take care of loved ones, taking care responsibilities and quietly making her role done. She stays strong and also handled all the stress so silently, supported everyone else emotionally, and slowly her nervous system become so exhausted. She even started feeling mentally tired constantly, even physically drained, no rest, and emotionally disconnected sometimes. But instead of understanding her nervous system, she started blaming herself for not handling life better. How is this possible? How a woman can blame her all herself, even though she needs help? Many emotionally exhausted women silently experience this. The body often speaks through exhaustion when emotional stress remain unprocessed for long period of time. So some common sign of nervous system exhausted already for such women is feeling tired even after sleeping, overthinking constantly, emotional numbness, body tensions, emotional sensitivity, and many more. And many women normalize these experiences because they have lived in survival mode long back. But emotional burnout is real and nervous system deserves healing too. Many women ignore this nervous system exhaustion because they were taught to stay strong, keep functioning, care of everyone else first and then yours. Suppression your emotional needs, don't demand for anything, push through exhaustion, and many more again in this. So they continue surviving emotionally while quietly feeling depleted inside. She knows something is missing in me, but she don't want to speak that out. Even though healing begins when women stop minimizing their emotional exhaustion and begin to start listening what body is trying to communicate with them. They need to gently take care of their own emotions and own body symptoms. So today, instead of asking yourself why I am struggling so much, try gently asking yourself what has my nervous system been carrying for so long and what emotional pressure I have normalized. What would emotional safety feel like inside my body? Take a deep breath, take a deep breath out, and just answer to your questions to yourself. And if your nervous system feels emotionally exhausted so lately, please remember you are not weak, you are not broken. Your body may simply be asking for gentleness, rest, emotional safety, and healing support. And slowly, through nervous system healing, softness, emotional awareness, and self compassion, body can begin learning peace again. You just have to take one simple step at a time. And if this video has resonated to you, Please subscribe Heal and Rise with Anita for gentle emotional healing and nervous system support. Also, if you feel comfortable, comment me below what sign of emotional exhaustion do you struggle with most likely. Remember, you are not alone. Heal and Rise Anita community is with you all the way for long period of time. And in our next healing conversation, we will gently remind ourselves why emotional exhaustion does not mean weakness. It's a sign towards healing, not a weakness of your own. So stay connected and be gentle to yourself. Thank you and have a great day.